Create a rectangle and size it 100 100. Pick and put it to origin. Observe the shape of red light and check if the rectangle is regular. It can be seen that the rectangle is very irregular and must be corrected. Set all correction parameters to their initial values, as shown in the video. Click the Shift key to quickly switch and set parameters. Click Light. It's a bit better, but still needs to be adjusted. Click Mark. The left and right sides protrude outward. The upper and lower volumes are concave inward. Click Param. Adjust the parameters to increase the x-axis value and decrease the y-axis value. Please note that the adjustment range for the values is 0.875 to 1.125. Click Light. Mark. Look a bit better and measure by rule. Measure x-axis. The upper and lower dimensions of the rectangle are the same, with a slightly larger center. Increase this parameter, and because the dimensions on both sides are the same, there is no need to adjust the trapezoidal parameters. Measure the y-axis. The upper and lower dimensions are the same, but the middle is a bit small. Reduce this parameter, and because the dimensions on both sides are the same, there is no need to adjust the trapezoidal parameters. Mark. Measure dimensions. The dimensions of x-axis are same, so the straightness correction of the x-axis has been completed. The same to the y-axis. Measure diagonal dimensions. The diagonal dimensions are the same, and all diagonal parameters for the x and y axis do not need to be adjusted. The next step is to adjust the ratio of the x-axis and y-axis. Click the arrow button. Enter the set size and the actual measured size. And y-axis. Do this again. The software will automatically calculate the coefficients. Mark. Measure whether the correction result is qualified. It's okay. Mark and observe if the marking pattern matches the red light indication. Adjust the x-axis offset and y-axis offset if they do not coincide. It's okay. Correction completed.